Good morning, 6th grade. We are learning about the Leaning Tower of Pisa today. And what I would like you to do is use the resources that you find in the ThingLink to help you answer the questions in this PowerPoint presentation. First question is, what country is it in? I want you to find out, why does the tower lean? And what makes the Leaning Tower of Pisa so famous? When you go through your research, you will find many pictures and images of people trying to hold up the Leaning Tower of Pisa in some very interesting pictures. And I want you to find out why it is so famous and why tourists are drawn to this location. Finally, after you've answered those few questions, I want to know what you still want to know. You need to come up with at least 3 questions you still have about the Leaning Tower of Pisa. And the second thing you're going to do is do some research to answer your questions and submit the answers to your questions to the Schoology discussion post by the end of the block today. If you have any questions, please send me a message through Schoology. Good luck!